Packet switching datagram approach, which is a method used in computer networks to send data instead of sending the whole file or message in one piece. The data is broken down into smaller packets. Each packet is given a number so the receiver knows how to put them back in the right order. These packets are then sent separately through the network, and each one can take a different path depending on which route is free or faster at the moment. For example, packet 1 might go through one path, packet 2 might travel another way, and packet 3 might follow yet another route. Even though they start together, they don't have to move as a group. Because of this, some packets may reach the destination earlier, while others may arrive later, but once all packets arrive, they are reassembled into the original message. Because the data diagram technique can use anyway, packets can still travel through another paths even if one is busy or unavailable, increasing the network's flexibility and efficiency. The, di- the system must function to correctly arrange the packets, though as they may came out of sequence or out various times. Because of the widespread usage of this technique on the internet, files, videos, and messages can eventually pass over erratic connections.